Now, JJ is asleep. You have to place something on him. If he wakes up, you lose. I have started already. Oh, come on. Is that it? Is that it? What? What? Oh my god. What the fuck?
He's not waking up. Look, ready? Ready?
Wait.
He might be dead.
He might be dead. And we're just sat here piling things up.
Wait, where are you going? Is that a fucking mini fridge?
It's a fridge.
Where the fuck are you gonna
Move your legs. I win. I win. I put a fridge on him. There's a fridge on him. There's a fridge on his legs. You're gone, mate. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think he might be dead. Look at him. We'll call it a draw. Should we wake him up?
Yo, JJ. He's alive. Come on, let's go to bed. Come on. Up you get.
Oh, fam, what's happening? I can't move. What's going on, brother?
Yeah, the look of realisation.
What's going on? What have you done?
Bro, there's a fucking fridge on you.
Why is that on me, man?
Well played.